welcome back to my channel. So today I bought something new for you guys, that is DIY prop ideas for pre-wedding shoot. So let's get started with the first design. Here are the measurements. Here I am using a white chart which is ivory, which means it is very thick, and then I am covering it with jute. Here I am using hot glue gun. You can use normal glue also, but it will take a lot longer than hot glue gun. Make sure while pasting, leave one part of jute because it would be pasted at last. Here I have numbers cutted on same ivory sheet. You can cut whichever number you want. Now here I am pasting white lace. Just like this, make two more, one for month and one for year. And you will need heart shape cutouts and jute rope, or you can use any kind of rope you have. And here I have doubled the rope to give it a little strength, and at the end I am tying a knot to secure it at place. Now before pasting, I'll leave this much part of the rope. And now here I am pasting the heart on the rope, as you can see. Now here I am sticking the date first. And just like this, we'll stick all of these things. And there we go. Our first design is ready. As you can see, it is looking so pretty. Now on to the next design. For this you will need hard cardboard of this measurement. And now here I am covering it with the handmade sheet. I'll cover the back side of this too. And now with the help of pencil I am writing here better. You can write whatever you want to write. Here I'll use white paint to write better. Now for the hanging portion, here I have taken a braid made of satin ribbon, which is very easy to make. And now here I am pasting it on the board. As you can see, our batter is completed. And just like this, make another, and I have wrote together. Now on to the third design. Here I have a cardboard piece which is cut in shape of puzzle, and now here I am covering it with the wood printed paper, which will give it a realistic look. And now again I am using here paint in black color. I am making borders with the black paint. Now here I am writing blue with the pencil. And now with the paint. As you can see, our U is completed, just like you make me. So here video is completed. I hope you like this video. If you do so, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, tada, bye bye and take care.